This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make waterlogged blocks in Minecraft. To begin, understand that many non-full blocks, like stairs, slabs, and fences, can be waterlogged. Simply place a water source block directly onto one of these blocks. This action fills the block's empty space with water, allowing for creative underwater builds and hidden water flows. It's a fundamental technique for enhancing your aquatic environments and redstone contraptions. Waterlogging is straightforward. Equip a water bucket and right-click on any non-full block. You'll see the water fill the block's empty volume without flowing outwards, unless there's an open space for it to escape. This technique is perfect for creating intricate water features, such as submerged pathways or decorative fountains, where precise water placement is key. Experiment with different block types to see their unique waterlogging effects. Beyond basic aesthetics, waterlogging offers practical applications. You can create hidden water elevators by waterlogging blocks within a shaft, allowing for rapid vertical movement. It's also excellent for designing underwater bases, as waterlogged blocks can prevent water from flooding your interior while still allowing light through. Consider using waterlogged blocks with sea lanterns or glowstone for stunning, diffused underwater lighting. The possibilities are truly expansive. Removing waterlogged blocks is just as simple. You can break the waterlogged block, and the water source will disappear with it. Alternatively, placing a full block, like dirt or stone, into the waterlogged space will displace the water, effectively removing the water source. Remember to check the description for a link to the Oala water bottle and other great deals to keep you refreshed during your building sessions. Happy crafting, and enjoy your waterlogged creations.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.